ఫస్ట్ పరుగులు వేస్తారు.
డ్రై ఆనియన్ కొంచెం డ్రై ఆనియన్.
సార్ వెయిట్ చేయలేదే వాడు, వెంటనే చేసాడు.
ఇంకా మన తొందర ఎక్కువ ఆల్కహాల్ ఇది.
అవును తెలిసిందే.
Some alcohol.
Be careful what you say, you're being recorded.
Yeah,
It's just chemically it's alcohol.
जो है वो है, can't tell anything. Perfect buddy.
Okay.
అయిపోయిందా?
Yeah. Okay, now this side.
This is the challenge. Where is that? Oh, वहाँ पे कपलर. I think this will rotate.
You can feel the
Guru,
heat coming
this
out.
will, this will rotate.
Yeah. So the way you do it is you tighten it fully,
And then we'll loosen afterwards.
right?
Then
And then
extend
after that you go all the way.
Right.
So how far can you go? Few inches, few millimeters
Yeah,
maybe.
there's O-ring, right? Basically it's called O-ring.
O-ring?
O-ring.
Okay.
O-ring.
O-ring. Okay.
So that,
Then we have to tighten it more.
yeah.
So a lot of strength.
Measure how much do we need?
related.
Here, right?
Yes.
So much.
Yes.
And this is the pipe will go into this.
Into this.
till
So
here.
we have to, when we cut, so this one will only go till here,
Here, right.
maximum.
Yeah. This will
And
come up to here max.
This is where we.
No,
hold on.
come here.
Yeah, you're right. So let us put it here.
Sorry.
And then
Yeah, get the marker.
this part
Mark it with the.
here, it should be there, right? It should come all the way till here.
Sure. It will go a little inside, right? It will come all the way till here, till the edge of this.
Yes, that's right.
So the edge is not there. Edge is.
See?
Or am I saying it wrong from here?
Yeah. See, okay, let me.
You put it along with that, right? Yeah, along with it, yeah. Yeah, see? I knew you were off by a few inches.
Okay.
Now cutter.
Cutter.
Try.
చేస్తా కనిపిస్తుంది. Okay.
Oh, this will also go inside, buddy. You got it?
Yes.
You don't have to cut so much actually.
You can cut more.
Yeah, you can cut more, right? Yeah, true.
This is good.
Yeah. So we put the least, right? Yeah, this is good enough.
We can,
So if you want, we can push it more,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
It's good.
Yes.
So all we need to do is push it. So you'll
First
have-
push
you'll
this
have
side.
enough.
And
then put
so, you know what we should do? We should cut more because then we will
Then
have
we'll-
room.
right.
And then pull it inside.
Right, yeah.
Yes. I think in the manual, in the YouTube, did he say first put this side or
No, he put this side.
this side?
He put this side.
Okay. So we can easily do this.
You're right.
Okay, let us cut more. How far can we go?
We can go at
Whoa.
least. Yeah, that's
That's a
big
lot.
enough. Yeah, that's a lot.
It's very good. Worth it.
Worth it, yeah. The only thing is due to heat and this one, it should not go this way, which is a rare case.
Till here? But maybe you should.
Here, right? So you cut till some more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. So we're not worried about mud inside.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the primer and fix it once.
Okay.
You want to test it first
Yes.
and then remove it?
Some more. Oh no, it can go inside. Yeah, good. This is good.
It will go fit in the other one, right?
Which one? Yeah, it's going
Side
inside.
will
Yeah. All we need to is push it back.
Yeah.
Good. That is wise of you to get the coupler fixer. Coupling fixer or what is it called?
It's called fixer.
Fixer.
Coupling fixer, maybe. Yeah, right. Let's give it some time. Let it dry out.
Yeah, did this go in?
No, that's it. Don't move it.
It's trying. It looked a little bit bent. So what about this side? You want to do it now?
We'll do it later. Here we have to do. So either.
Hmm? Yeah, we'll put one both sides. Get
Here
that.
you can put primer if you want.
Huh?
For now,
Putting the glue right now.
oh, you put the glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
This side also. Hope it doesn't get stuck there.
No, the extension is happening on the other side. Yes.
Yeah. It's pushing. He told to hold it. Hold that for some time. Yeah, okay. Awesome then.
Now
Now
we have to.
inside
Yes.
and outside. So let's put the primer. That's
थोड़ा
all.
और काटना, you have space to.
नहीं काटने की जरूरत नहीं है. Only we have to push it.
Yeah.
Clean or? Yeah,
It's clean.
only thing is I'm worried
Clean. I
about
cleaned it.
No, yeah, inside.
Inside. Cleaned. Can put more. So
ज्योति करेंगे. No. See.
మట్టి వస్తుంది రుపియారా మట్టి లేదు కదండి కిందని
కిందన మట్టి లేదు.
ఓకే ఇంకా వేయచ్చు గ్లూ
We want a perfect stick here.
కిందని కూడా యూ పుట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఓకే
Yeah. Okay. Hold it. Oh, it's good extension we got here. We know now how to do a coupling fixer. Not only coupling, DIY. We can fix it. Coupling fixer.
Yeah, this with pipe cutting and putting two couplings,
We have become expert now.
life would have become difficult, right? With the other option.
With the other option, yeah.
I think last time we did cutting and
Yeah,
Only
see,
this
the
coupling
thing is, you
and
have
pipe.
to open up till like
Yeah, you have to open till that.
so that you get flexibility.
Mm.
Okay.
you're done, right?
Yes.
Awesome, man.